Hi everyone, and welcome back to another BTLO Replay. Before we jump into MALDROID, be sure to follow us on X, LinkedIn, or join the Discord server to keep in touch with the BTLO community. Links are in the description box below. Right, let's get started. Before we start with MALDROID, let's read first the scenario. So, hey buddy, you are good with computers, right? Can you fix my phone? Installed an application, and all I see on my phone is I have saved the required files into that. Please have a look. MALDROID, for this lab, will be tackling to analyze an APK file, MALDROID.apk, and we'll be using tools such as Apktool, JADX, DexStarTool, bytecode. Right, let's get started. See the terminal, go to the investigation. Let's try to identify what type of file is our. So it says here that it's a zip archive file. So before we start answering question number one, be we'll be decompressing this Android file or the APK file. So we can do that by running. I think we have Apktool, right? Apktool. Read the parameters in order to use Apktool. Have this tool here. I think. But okay, this one. So Apktool, we use this code dash here. So the usage is D for decode options. We'll do that by going to the terminal. Clear this up. Apktool. Wait. Before we start messing up with this file, need to duplicate the file. Let's try apk backup and copy MALDROID apk. Have it. Now running Apktool. Apktool D. Remember the decode option. MALDROID. Test here that decoding our APK file. So yeah. So we can see here that there's a Android manifest.xml which contains really useful information about any APK file. If you are analyzing APK files or Android files, you are decoding. Android manifest file contains rich information regarding what data, what information you need. We are tasked to what is the package name of the APK. Hmm. Edit Android. Yeah. Cat. Let's read this file. Android manifest. Let's read the Android manifest file. So we are tasked with the package name of the APK. Basically, let's use script package. Package. We have here the com.device security. Let's try. Since the format aligns with the information that we have pulled, com.device security, I think that's the answer for our question. Cool. Right. So let's proceed with question number 2. Does the APK enable backups? If so, what is the file declared in, and what is the minimum Android version of the ransomware effects? So let's check and file again. Typically, this XML file contains the minimum Android version. So have to check if there's any. Question is, what is the declared? What file is it declared in? So we know that um this information is declared in Android XML file, right? Android manifest XML file, yes. So backup, you need to find a string that has the contains backup. Yes, this one. Application Android backup allow this. So we know that this Android manifest file, that XML, contains the information about the backup. But we are tasked to identify the minimum Android version of the ransomware attacks. So since that we don't have here, yes, platform builders. We'll, I think we need to use another tool for this. So um, use another tool, track cd as apk backup, and we'll use this JADX tool. I think it's a Java tool. Java X. Star JADX. Oh, how to use it. So what we have here is that JDX file. Yeah, so we need to extract this first. Let's copy this one, apk backup, and let's change the directory to apk backup list. Let's unzip JADX. Cool. So we have um, in the bin directory, we have this one, these files. I think this JADX file is used in Linux based on what we have here. Yeah. Command line version, the dot pat is for Windows. GUI thing stuffs. So we'll use this tool by right in ADX dash. Okay. We need an output directory, right? Create MALDROID output. Let's run again. EX. Got this wrong here, but it's fine. The yeah, we have managed to execute it. What it does is it decompresses or decodes the Android MALDROID.apk save it to a MALDROID output. Uh, since the APK tool, somewhat the APK tool results is I think we don't have the right information to answer question number 2. We'll use the GADX to have a second look. It's called triangulation, confirming different um, results with different tools. CD to Maldor. Have resources here. Resource. We also have the Android manifest.xml, right? Let's cat the resources. Android. Basically, we have a different version of the Android manifest file, different from the one in um, the result from APK tool. You will see it here that there is yeah, Android compiled SDK version platform, and there is this minimum SDK version. So from let's see stuff and Android, Android. Here in um, this is the one from the APK tool, right? So this output is from the JADX tool. So let's compare both. So they are both Android.manifest.xml, right? So they have this one, insert in information, the package name and stuffs. Yep. But they differ from this what do you call this one? This portion. So in the JADX file tool, we have uses SDK minimum SDK version, and from the APK tool, there's none. So uh, this this explains the importance of using different tools to find the answer to the right question. So yeah, let's take a look at what this this means. So we have what we have there in the Android manifest file is we have a minimum SDK version of 19. We use Google to find any references about this SDK version. What we have here is it says that it's Android 4.4. So basically, this 19 represents 4.4. So our answer is Android manifest, that's file.xml, and a 4.4 version. Right, let's proceed with question number 3. So what is the name of the Android application? So for this, to answer this one, if you are not really familiar with APK reverse engineering, you can um, use Google to find any references that will pull you towards the right path to answer this question. So let's do it. This Stack Overflow thread, you can see that it is found under the values folder with a file called string.xml. That's right. What we have here, this is JDX file, right? Let's we have the rest here. Let's ls resources, rest, values, values, cd, cd resources, rest, values. Here we have the strings that XML, cat strings. So the question is, what is the name of the Android application? Here, in plain text, we can see here the app name, which have the value of this string. It's quite obvious that this is the name of the Android application. Wanna virus tracker. Sweet, right? So, bit easy. Can the application run on startup? What its intent priority? So for this one, let's check again the Android manifest file. We have cd read the Android manifest file. So the question is, can the application run on startup? What is its intent priority? Let's find any references in Google to find this. Find references to this question. Having a bit of a research, we have pulled this Stack Overflow thread for Android manifest file. So start activity boot, right? So we are tasked to identify if the application can run on startup. What is its intent priority? Okay. Answer. It says here this Android permission receive boot complete by the receiver. Included category Android name. I references. It says here that the receive boot completed allows an application to receive the intent this action is broadcast after the system finishes booting. So it's like powering up after the system's finished booting. So if you have request this permission, Also have this in here. So boot completed for Android manifest file. It says that Android application can listen and capture this event to take specific actions such as automatically starting an activity or so. Let's find there's oh here. Also we have this one, boot receiver and boot. It's I think the answer for this one is yes or no. I think we have one because we have those strings in our Android manifest file, and the priority number is in just like plain as day. In your yes, 999. Wait. So this for the last question, what is the decryption key? For this one, we need to um, view the APK file in a GUI format. I think we have another tool here, which is named as bytecode viewer. Will help us to understand what help us to answer the question for the last one. Yeah, so let's do a bit of a research how to use bytecode viewer. What we found here, we land to this YouTube channel, YouTube video, how to launch the bytecode viewer. So we need Java, jar, and the jar file. So let's go back to the investigation. Let's Java, jar, bytecode viewer. A bit, we have to drag our APK file here. Desktop, investigation, APK. So bytecode viewer, it allows you to, since it's a GUI tool, it allows you to search for strings like easier. Wait for it to load. It's taking a bit. And it is loaded. What we have here, so it's an MALDROID APK file imported into the bytecode viewer. We are tasked with what is a decryption key. Let's use this search string key. Or let's expand. Any strings that will lead us to the decryption. To find sorry the bytecode viewer plays the code itself. Main. I think we don't have try script. Have here the oops. So really interesting strings we have here. So encryption press your phone is decrypted, failed, decrypt code is incorrect. I think this is our code here. Since there's a conditional statement if uh, the user inputs this, if it's the exact sequence or exact key, then phone is decrypted. Dot failed decryption. Code is. I think we have our answer. 486508350. Cool. So that was easy. Uh, yeah. If you know how to Google, how to use different resources, tools, which is given at the start of the lab, you can get this lab easy. I guess that's a wrap up. So, thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to like and subscribe to never miss a video. So in the meantime, remember to join us on Discord and tune in every Friday at 6 p.m. UDC for BTLO Replay. Thanks, everyone, and see you next time.